So let's talk about salary. Let's talk about money. And let's talk about the reality of the salary within a space of data. Everyone wants that 80K role, that 100K role plus, and I'm not mad at it. And I'm speaking from experience. I've been within a space for over 13 years. I've supported real business decisions and teams where those numbers actually matter and impact the lives of real people. But there's a nuance of that conversation that is missing. You don't get paid just because you learned a tool or learned a skill or even got a certificate. I got a whole video about that. You get paid because you can walk into a business and do things like find what's broken, quantify the impact, clean that messy data, explain what happened in plain English, and you're able to help leaders make better decisions. And this really isn't theoretical because one of my students had been doing this for years at one of the largest healthcare providers in the country. She was just using Excel, or so she thought, but she was just using Excel and she was cleaning donor data, organizing it, and making it useful so that organizations can actually trust it and use it. Because certificates don't pay you, their business impact does. Why? Because it makes the company money. And you're not being paid for a tool. You're being paid for how you use that tool to create impact. Now, another part that a lot of people miss is that a lot of people are already functioning in that capacity, but they're underpositioned. What I mean by that is they're doing the work, but they're not presenting it in a way that showcases the business value. It's a gap there. Everything is about positioning yourself as a solution. Every job, every project, every task you should go in with the mindset of what skill can I get here that translates into a higher earning potential. That should be your goal.